Hi there, I am Maria Palito and welcome to my channel where I share Procreate tips, digital art tricks, and creative inspiration. In this video, I will be sharing my coloring techniques using one of the hand-drawn stamp brushes I created for my new Christmas Procreate brush set. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it. Christmas has always been one of my favorite seasons, and that's why I couldn't miss the chance to show you how I like to color my illustrations. Let's set up the canvas. First, open a canvas larger than 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels. Then, stamp any of the images from the set. I choose the first stamp from my Christmas set. This will be the first image we color together. This time, I will be using a Christmas tree from the new hand-drawn Christmas Procreate stamp set, now available in my shop. But if you would like to color along with me, you can download the free resources. Just follow the link in the video description. Let's choose the colors. I adjusted the stamp so it fits perfectly in the center. Stamp it in green and let it change it to a deep red tone. Then I created a new layer below for coloring. Set the outline as reference and lock it to avoid accidental changes. To color the tree, I used two different shades. One is slightly bluish and another darker blue-green, alternating between them to create depth and contrast. Let's add some lights and shadows. Today, I decided to use my drawing glove because I love how smoothly it slides across the screen, but it's totally optional. This set includes 44 Procreate stamp brushes that let you easily stamp images into your canvas and then color them however you like, adding your own personal touches and details. It's perfect for relaxing, getting creative, and filling your iPad with the cozy and joyful spirit of Christmas. There is something special about those chilly moments when you are wearing cozy long socks and just want a little time to relax. Just sit on the couch, open your iPad, and start coloring one of these illustrations. Then I created another layer to design the Christmas lights, running diagonally across the tree. I choose a deep yellow tone for contrast. To make the tree sparkle, I added light yellow dots around it, simulating soft glowing lights. Since the star is red, I added light pink highlights to make it glow, and drew spiral garlands in bright yellow for movement. Using a texture brush, I added shadows in the right side of the tree on a multiply layer for depth and realism. This Christmas set was designed with love and inspired by the nostalgia of past Christmases. Cozy time filled with warmth, laughter, and special people. These 44 illustrations blend the charm of the past with the touch of a modern spirit. Each one started in my sketchbook and came to life in my iPad, capturing the sweetness and nostalgia of Christmas. Then I draw some dark pink ornaments hanging from the tree, with dark pink bases, light pink highlights, and red strings, giving them that shiny festival look. I duplicated ornaments around the tree, about 3 per section, for balance and fun. I love the copy and paste technique because it keeps colors consistent and saves so much time while making everything look adorable. Let's add some magic lights and finishing touches. I added lights around the spiral lights using dark yellow tone. then extra yellow dots for that twinkling effect. Next, I merged layers to organize the file and added a cute kitten peeking from behind the tree, drawn in a new layer. I painted it in a very light yellow for a soft touch. That's why I love stamp brushes. They give you a solid base to start from and make the creative process faster without losing personality. For me, coloring is one of the most satisfying and joyful parts of digital art. Let's add some presents to the Christmas tree. I picked a gift stamp from the same set. I used the same red tone as the tree line art. This collection includes some of the following drawings: Christmas tree, a camel, gifts, stars, Santa Claus in different poses, Christmas bells, stockings, and a window, and above all, a lot of love. For the second gift, I used a purple ribbon with darker purple details and painted the body yellow for a bright, cheerful look. If you would like to color this artwork with me, check the link to my blog in the video description. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful creative day. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give a like, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Leave a comment telling me why you enjoy using Stamp Procreate brushes. Thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful creative day.